Hello, good evening and namaste. Myself Roshan Kumar Rao. I am 35 years of age. I have been suffering from spondylitis, stress and anxiety for last 4 to 5 years. I used to feel very lethargic, pain in my whole body. There was dizziness. I was having lack of energy. Then luckily I came to know about Nirvana, and then I contacted Sri Shyam Kishore. I received acupuncture, weight cupping therapy and massage. After the therapy, I am feeling quite relaxed. Pain has drastically reduced. Pretty happy with the service I received. The best part was the diet chart that I was given by Nirvana, and I'm feeling the difference. So thank you so much, Shyamji and Nirvana. And I will recommend everyone, I would request everyone, if you are having any sort of disease or pain, you can definitely go for weight cupping therapy, acupuncture and massage. Thank you very much.